Evening, folks. Bobby Two Parts Breaks. It is Saturday, October the 30th, day before Halloween, and we are about to break Bomb Box full-size helmet. We just started our brand new series tonight, so we randomed off all 74 boxes in the series, and we're going to start with number 3. We did random teams for this on your left. Teams, customers, been randomized, alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade. No one's really trading, no, guys. Well, not a bad hit, folks. One of our last boxes, one of the players that came out in last series, last box there. Bam! A little hard to see there, guys, but going to be an Eagles hit with the Jalen Hurts. Hate how these guys take these up like this sometimes. Right, bam! Mr. Jalen Hurts, Lunar Authentic, gonna start us out there. PSA sticker and card on that one. Nice Jalen Hurts, number 2 quarterback in fantasy right now. Hasn't been able to get him a win though. Well, dog. Bam, dog, you were on a dry run. You started picking it up at the end of the series there. Dog is going to take our first box of the night there. With the Jalen Hurts, folks. We're going to do our Allen Lunar qualifier here. We're giving away a Josh Allen Lunar at the end of the series. We pull the winner out of the break, give everybody else a chance to hit something with their spots at the end of the series there. Sorry, everybody else. Congratulations, dog. Yeah, a lot of people aren't allowing customs anymore, bud, and even for specialty helmets, they're upcharging on them. Sort of bullcrap, man. That's one of the reasons with all the upcharges and everything, man. It's just, I haven't really been doing sign-ins. It's just not cost efficient, not really saving much by the time at all. Bam, we got an 8, everybody. This is for the Allen qualifier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. I got Larry and Leo going to be the first qualifiers for the Allen Lunar Speedflex at the series end. Only 1 and 2 on our qualifiers, guys. Just launched our series breakers. TV, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. Stop on a buyer. We got a really nice series rolling out for you here. Have our Halloween promo going tomorrow as well. Have a good one. Bobby Two Parts Breaks.